Hi. I have been not feeling so well lately, but I did finish this one up that I've been working on for a while, and I want to share it with you. Here's the cover. I got this paper. I usually don't buy any paper, but I wanted to buy something special just for the cover, and it's from Graphic 45. Has a price tag. I want to sell this. Okay, let's go inside. Now, inside, there's a little pocket here. And it just has a little receipt. I'll lift some of it so you can pull it up and see the pretty paper. And I'm just going to flip through. This is a little pocket you can put things that you find out in nature in. Eco-dyed paper. And this has rust dyed paper. Explore. A little card that came with the paper. Collect. Weeds. This is a sewed card and that sewn card. This flips up. It says keepsakes. Plants. Or those from a book. And this tells the times to plant things. And I have a lot of these little bitty pens I found off eBay. Love them. It's hard to see everything in my camera. I've sewn every page, which took a lot of time. Now these I just pinned in. So don't expect the stuff to stay on if you take the pins off, because it's not going to. But everything else is sewed. These little tufts right here are just pinned on the embellishments. Oh, another eco-dyed paper that turned out really good. It almost matches. It's really neat. Graph paper. A bunch of different little card thingies in here, tickets. A little bit of sewing paper. Another specimen envelope. Shovel, trowel. Ladybugs. Butterflies. My camera's dying, so I have to hurry. Gardening. Piece of lace. And some gears. We're about done. This little nature sketchbook on that. Now it's sewn into the lace. The lace was then glued in. So it's good and secure. The back is this pretty paper. This is like a rubbery, clothy like paper right here. And that's all. Thank you for watching.